Hi, your friends of Sustainable Montessori with a new lesson. In this case, today we're going to work on multiplication using the golden math. So we're going to need our golden math, we're going to need our big box. You don't need a decanomial for this one, the big box will be good. And the number tiles, kind of like the same combination that we use for the checkerboard tree. And here we have our operation. So we have our multiplicand, that would be 2,345. The multiplier would be 3, and we are finding the product. It's good to go introducing those terms for your students so they start hearing it. So the first thing we're going to do is using the number tiles, we're going to prepare the operation in the golden method. So I have 5 units, so I'm going to look for a tile, and we use the white tiles for the multiplicand, and we use a 5 here in the units. Then we use 4 tens, 3 hundredths, and finally 2,000. So my number is 2,345. 2,345. And my multiplier is going to be 3. So now I'm going to look in the grays. The grays will be the color for the multiplier. And then because in this case we're multiplying by a unit, I'm going to use green. So that would be 2,345 take it 3 times, multiply 3 times. So now there's different ways that you can do this presentation. One way could be if it's the first time, kind of reinforcing the idea of repeated addition, you may do the number 3 times each number. I'm going to do it more like the multiplication. So in this case would be 5 times, 5 taken 3 times. So I'll go to the 5s, and I'm going to put 3. And maybe the first time, just want to separate it this way. Okay. Now I have 4 3 times. So I go to the 4s, and I put them 3 times. Now I go to the hundreds, and I go 3 times. 1 more. And finally, in the thousands, I got 2, and I'm going to do it 3 times. So you see this time, they're going to see that this is repeated addition. Later, when you introduce the lesson, you're actually going to place them this way, so they can also see the geometry that is behind this operation, in this case multiplication. Okay, so 3 times 5, some of them they already may know the fact, some of them may know skip counting, or some of them they're going to count the beats, and it's okay, you're going to provide them with enough practice. So in this case, 3 times 5 is 15. 15 units is 110, and 5 units. So again, I put it horizontally, that way I know that I already done that part, and I'm carrying these 10 units. Now, 4 times 3 is 12, and 1, 13. 13 tenths is 100, and 3 tenths. Okay? Now, I have 3 times 3, and some of them may recognize that this is the square of 3. Okay, or maybe not yet. 3 times 3 would be 9, and 110 would be 1,000. So 1,000 would be here, passing this one and taking this one away. And sometimes to help them remember that they already did this part, it's good to put here a 0. So that's kind of like the placeholder that is reminding me that I have no hundreds in this number. And now I have 2 times 3, that would be 6, and 1 7,000. So I'm going to change for 7,000. So my operation is 2,345 times 3, and the answer would be 5 units, 3 tens, 0 hundredths, and 7,000. So in other words, 2,345 times 3 is 7,035. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Remember that we have other videos that you can watch too, and you can check also our materials in Sustainable Montessori. Thank you.